Hey, it's Edge here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for PALANTIR technologies. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide targets and invalidation levels for the present accounts. Let's get going. So again, starting with the 15-minute time frame, we are looking to watch more of this action here that has been happening on local time frames. For higher time frame, you should check out the previous videos, but this is what we're going to be looking at today. So overall, we're looking into this possible as a 4 and this another smaller degree 1, 2, 3 and looking for a minute degree 4 here. Target is this 38.2, retracement here for the wave of the wave 3 for the wave 4, and definitely this base channel is going to be hopefully providing us some support for this case. Now for this to happen, we would need to get a quick upwards movement up here and then swift down motion. Now I've labeled this as such, as an A, B and possible C here. For this to be an ABC structure, we would need to label this structure in here as a 5-way structure, but again it is not certain that it is. We do have a divergence here as this is a massive move here and very powerful, but yeah, that is the basis for this count, I guess. So as this is an ABC or a zigzag move in this case, we would be looking for 5 waves here. Just by looking at this price action here, it is looking really weird. Now just by looking at this and trying to find a possible count here, we could be measuring this here, saying that this could be a 1, 2. Is it a diagonal? Well, we see that this spot here is larger, or this leg here is larger than the first one, meaning that the 4th wave would need to be larger than this possible wave 2. So again, we don't even need to measure that. We can just see it is smaller. So this can't be a leading diagonal, leading contracting diagonal, although it definitely can look like it. It just doesn't measure like one. So what else can it be? Well, to me, this has to be 1, 2, 1, 2, possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending something here. And again, on a smaller time frame, this would be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 around here. Currently making the 4th and then 5th, and this would be in micro count. Something like this. This 0.618 here is the minimum target we need to get to for the wave C, as it is the minimum target for the ABC. Without it, I'm not going to be considering this a valid count. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't see too many other options here. I guess we could be looking at it as 3-way structure, WXY structure, where this first leg is ending around here, or even if it ends here, we would be looking at this as a WXY, and instead the first leg here would be an A, B and C. So this would allow us to have the possibility of this structure being a 3-way structure upwards. But currently it does look quite good, with the possibility for being the zigzag pattern that I'm looking at, and then looking for another wave downwards. Now if either of these counts are going to be playing out, and they go above this 1 or 0.5 extension here around $9.80, then we are going to be doubting this count more and more, as it is again very unlikely for it to go this high. Let's check out some, do we have some levels here that could be important? Well, again, yeah, I forgot. PALANTIR is in this downtrend where we don't have data back here, so we just don't have the levels here. 0.5, let's see. We do have this important level here, which was the end of the 3rd wave, so I think that could be one place just to have some kind of structure resistance So that is definitely one place I would be looking at. And it does line up very well with this 0.5 and the 1-to-1 extension for the ABC move here. So this is most likely an area that I'm going to be looking for shorts here. Of course, if we are going to be playing this as the 5 waves, the more, I guess, better way to enter this would be on the pullback of wave 2. So if we are going to get this wave 1, then we are going to be having the wave 2 here. At this point we could be taking the short and limiting our risk to the highs of these and then targeting the wave 3 and 5 here. And at that point we don't have that much of a risk here. Of course the 10%, but you should always base your risk on the size of the portfolio compared to the amount you're willing to lose. 1% of your portfolio is what I'm using for my basis of the position sizing. But yeah, definitely an interesting area, looking for possibilities there as well. Nothing else really strikes. We do have this low here though. Let's see if we have some confluence here. This one and these lows here. Let's see. The other one lines up pretty well with the 0.382, but does not line anything up with the other one here, and different ways around with this other support line. But we'll see what kind of action we get here. Yeah. But those are the outlooks I'm going to be looking at today for Palantir. Let me know if you have another count that would suggest something drastically different here. Possibly a bottom here, who knows. But again, RSI is lowest here, so, or kind of lowest. So I wouldn't be expecting this to be over us just yet. It could be. You never know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All I want to share. Let me know if you have another coin you would like me to analyze or another asset. But again, I thank you for watching and hopefully see you on the next video again. Bye bye.